go someplace.
So today I'm going to go to this cute little town in our area that has a seed bank and a flour mill. They also sell whole grains and all sorts of specialty flours to both professionals and amateur bakers like me. This store is absolutely amazing. Look at all these grains and flours they have and baking supplies. Oh my gosh, I could be here all day. Oh, these look great, but I don't know if I really need more cast iron. And all these different types of flours. So that was very successful, and now I'm going to go to my next stop, the seed bank. It's actually the retail store for the Baker Creek seed catalog, and I'm pretty excited to check that one out. This is the old part of town, which is really cute. It has cobblestone streets. There is remnants of a railroad, and it's just such a cute place to visit. And here's the Petaluma Seed Bank, also known as Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Store. So now that I'm back home, I quickly want to talk about how you can strategize your visits at the seed store and the grain store. Now let me start with the grain store. It really depends on whether you're a seasoned baker or whether you're kind of new to baking. If you're the former, you might like to visit their website, which is what I like to do, and see what they have, get a general idea of the products that they sell. And then you go in there, you know exactly what you need, what you want, you get it and pay and buy and leave. You can also, if you're fairly new, you can just go there and get a sense of what they have, talk to an employee. If you're completely new to baking, they often are able to recommend some very simple recipes, and often they have bread flours that are mostly mixed up, so you only need to add your wet ingredients and you'll be on your way super successfully. And then there is a hybrid version, which is what I like to do. I like to go on their website, which I'll be linking below, and then I like to go there. I typically have an idea what I need and what I want, but then obviously I walk in there and I see things that I didn't know I needed, as in today's case. I'm trying to think where I have it. I got this scoring blade and the holder for it, and what this is for is when you're baking bread, often you want to score the crust so that when you bake it, it breaks open really beautifully. Or when you're making pretzels, you make this cut in there, and none of my knives are sharp enough to really get a nice cut. So that's something that I didn't know I really wanted, but I had wanted that, so they had that and I brought it home. I was able to buy some organic spelt berries, some organic brown flaxseed, which I like to put in my sourdough bread. Now, one caveat with the brown flaxseed is that it makes your bread look a lot darker. You could try to find the golden flaxseed if you want to add it. This particular store today didn't have that, but I think that it's absolutely worth the added health benefits of the omega-3 fatty acids and the fiber and all the other good things that come from flax seeds to add that to your bread. And last thing I found was the organic einkorn berries, which I'm super excited about. I'm going to be adding that to my bread and mill that into flour and then also bake other things with that. Now, as for the seed store, that really depends on whether you have grown a lot of seeds, you're a seasoned gardener, or whether you're really new to growing vegetables in your garden and growing vegetables and fruit from seeds. Now, again, I always recommend a hybrid version of going online or getting their catalog. And my dog's coming around to sniff at my goodies. So you can get a general sense of what they have, and then you go to the store and find the seeds that you want. You could just go in there with a list and just check everything off of your list. If you're completely new, I encourage you to talk to the staff. Usually they're very knowledgeable and very helpful in identifying seeds that will grow really well in your climate, the type of soil that you might have, the location, whether it's very sunny, whether you have some shade or a lot of shade, and all of those growing conditions, and then they'll identify the kind of seeds that will grow well there. Again, I have an idea what I wanted. I had some seeds from last year. I had saved some of my own seeds. So I knew that I wanted some summer squash, which I got 2 varieties of. I got zucchini and the scallop squash. And then I got some winter squash, the butternut squash, beautiful orange color. And then I got some spicy peppers. I knew I wanted some artichokes. I had really set my eyes on these purple carrots that I think they're so beautiful. And then I was really excited about finding the New Zealand spinach. And if you have not heard about it, check it out. It is so cool. It's a lot like regular spinach, the way that it tastes and the way that you can prepare it, but it's just such a novel variety. I had to get that. And then I got some German chamomile and some strawberries. And I also, because I shopped there, I got the purple basil seeds, and I'll definitely be trying those out. I hope you enjoyed coming on the ride with me today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new here on my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I upload new videos every week. You can also visit my blog, ourgabledhome.com. Thank you so much for watching, and see you here next time.